How to fix Permute for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Permute on a Mac using a script file, you can follow these steps. 1. Open TextEdit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor. #bin/bash #uninstall Permute sudo rmrf/application/permute.app sudo rmrf/library/application /support/permute sudo rmrf/library/caches/com.charliemonroe.Permute sudo rmrf/library/containers/com.charliemonroe.Permute sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.charliemonroe.Permute.plist sudo rmrf/library/save /application/state/com.charliemonroe.Permute.savedState. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, example uninstall_permute.sh, to your desired location. 4. Open terminal on your Mac. 5. Navigate to the location where you saved the script file by using the cd command followed by the path to the folder, example cd/downloads. 6. Make the script file executable by entering the command mod +x uninstall_permute.sh. 7. Run the script file by entering the command /uninstall_permute.sh. 8. Enter your administrator password when prompted to confirm the uninstallation. This script file will remove the Permute application and all associated files and preferences from your Mac. Please note that this script should be used with caution and only if you are sure you want to completely uninstall Permute. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.